In the world of wafer processing and chip manufacturing ecosystems, microscopic impurities can trigger million-dollar consequences. But there's a solution. Total organic carbon, TOC, is the hidden threat in both makeup and polishing loops that conventional purification can't defeat. When ultrapure water standards demand perfection, traditional methods fall short. Enter Aquafine's precision UV technology for ultrapure water. We use 185 nanometers to indirectly break down compounds to ionic species, which are removed by the downstream ion exchange or EDI system. As these species are removed, the TOC concentration of the water is reduced down to UPW standards. With both our high-performance synthetic and natural quartz lamp options, performance doesn't just persist, it excels. Year after year, our systems maintain peak efficiency. Join more than 8,500 global microelectronics installations and learn why industry leaders in microelectronics and semiconductors trust Aquafine as their UV partner. Contact us today to learn how we can enhance your process.